Just see those sleigh bells jingling, ring, ting-a-ting-a-ling too. Come on, it's lovely weather.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name's Akila and I'd love for you guys to join. So, yesterday I didn't vlog, but I had a reason. I was just not feeling too well. Aunt Flo arrived and I was just having the worst cramps of my life. Ugh. And then back pain was horrible too, and I was like, you know what, I don't want to be like fake on here and act like I feel okay when I really don't, so I'm not gonna film. So I skipped Vlogmas yesterday, so today is actually gonna be Vlogmas day 14, which will be uploaded tomorrow. Wait. I feel like I'm missing out on something. No, so it's gonna be, hold on. I'm losing track. So today's Vlogmas day 15. Alright guys, so it's Vlogmas day 15. I'm losing my mind, like ever since I just got that one day off from not filming, and now I'm just, I don't know. But I got out of bed a little while ago, but I've just been struggling to get out of bed lately. Like, I have the motivation, but like my body is just so tired, and I don't know why, but it is. So I've been trying to get out of bed, and it's not been working out very well. But right now it's 9:51, so it's getting pretty late. And I was like, I need to get up, get out of bed, start filming a YouTube video. Vlog today, I think I'm just gonna do another little chill at home vlog. I hope you guys like these vlogs because I do personally. I think it's just a little bit easier on me, especially because I don't get out much also. But I know a lot of people do like at home vlogs also. I'm gonna try to make it as interesting as possible. Don't know how interesting it'll be, but we'll get somewhere. Also, do you like my shirt? It says slice of life. Or you guys can't really see that, but it has a skeleton with a pizza on it. It's long sleeves, which I'll probably get hot in like 5 seconds because my hormones are off track. But yeah, so I'm getting ready to go, probably make a cup of coffee. I need to drink some more water real fast. Alright you guys, so I had to throw my bedding in the washer because it needs washed. There's the dogs. I'm gonna have to sweep the floor again. I literally swept it like 20 times yesterday because it rained the day before and yesterday was just really windy, so the ground was just still soaked. And they're bringing a lot of dirt in. A lot of dirt has gotten on everything, so I've had to keep sweeping, wiping down everything. But now I'm gonna go ahead and go and make myself a cup of coffee. And yeah, I need to go grocery shopping tomorrow, so I'm gonna have to make my list out. I asked Ivy if she wanted to go with me, and she said yes. Not doing much. Every time I walk past this little snow globe in my house, I always have to shake it. It's just so cute. And it was only $1 at Dollar Tree. Cute. I was gonna say something else. Oh, I'll actually do a little unboxing today because my mom sent me a package in the mail and my sister's. Okay, so my mom got me a little. I can't even talk today. Like, I don't know what my problem is. But my mom got me an early Christmas present. And she sent it in the mail. She said it's something I need. And I was like, what do I need? I don't really need a whole lot. And she's like, it's something you need. And then my sister ordered me something for my birthday like a month ago. And it's just now arriving. Also, I'm in here in the kitchen and I forgot I had this thing and I didn't forget I had it, but I just never turn it on. And I turned it on. I think I'm just going to start leaving it on. It's just so cute, especially at nighttime. It's going to look so cute just sitting on top of there. But yeah, it's really pretty. I just wanted to show you guys that. I was like, you know what? Let me show. Rose? Alright, you guys, I just came back from outside from checking the mail. It's super cold out there, super cold. But I just got a package. My sister ordered it off of Etsy, so we'll see what it is. I'm excited. And look at the cute packaging. Let's see. Aww. Aww. She said, to my favorite sister Akila from the Fam Bam. Aww. That's cute. Ooh, I got this cute sticker. How cute. And then the website where you can get the stuff from, the Pine Torch. Ooh, that is cute. This is what it looks like. I like it. I'm gonna wear it tomorrow, for sure. It's so cute. That's cute. But it looks like you can get it on the Pine Torch. They have a lot of cute things. Just looks like that. Thanks, sister. Alright, y'all, I finally finished my grocery list. I'm hoping it comes out to either like 110 or less than that. I really don't have that much stuff on here, but you know, groceries are kind of pricey. It's about 11:14 right now. And I think my mom's package is gonna be delivered to my doorstep, so we'll see. I'm excited to see what her package is. I think I'm gonna just track it real fast just to see. As today, by the end of the day, right now it's in Hewitt, Texas, which I don't think is very far. I think it's like maybe 50 minutes from here or something. Yeah, 53 minutes. So not too bad. It should be here by the end of the day, probably around 5 or 6 or so. But I'm excited to open that, so I'll show you. Yeah, I'll show you guys that too. So I'm definitely gonna be editing like today. So I have a while to vlog, but I'm not doing much. I try to make these vlogs interesting, so I try to like show you guys things, or like if I'm getting something, then maybe that. But other than that, they're kind of just all over the place. But it's okay, because I know people like to see days in the lives. But yeah, I'm not really doing much right now. Just kind of scrolling through Instagram because I posted a new photo, checking my YouTube, and going on from there. So I'll see you guys when I'm actually doing something productive for once. Alright, you guys, I finally got up. I actually have to put some stuff in the dryer and then put some more stuff in the washer, so I'll show you guys that. Alright guys, I'm back. And now I'm going to eat something. I'm not sure what I'm going to eat. I'm thinking just a frozen pizza, put it in the oven. Something simple, something easy, or chili. I don't know. They all sound good. No, because then I don't have cheese for chili. I might just have to do the pizza. So I think that's what I'm going to do. It's about 1:08 right now. I'm definitely going to do the pizza. It's about the easiest thing. Or pizza rolls. Or, I don't know. Luckily, I'm going grocery shopping tomorrow because I don't have a lot of stuff. But the pizza I got, it's the wrong one. So I get the Red Baron, and I usually get the thin and crispy crust. Let's set you guys like right here. I usually get the thin and crispy crust, but I got the classic crust, so it's not as good. I'm like crouched down so you guys can see me. I think it's no 400. You guys, and I am so like OCD about my pizza. It always comes just with them everywhere, but I usually have to fix them. Alright you guys, so I finished eating my pizza. I pretty much ate the whole thing. Now I'm just looking at superworms and mealworms because we're trying to buy them in bulk so we don't have to buy them so often. I'm trying to find the cheapest route to go because Amazon seems like the cheapest. Seems like I'll get it before everything else. And usually when you buy them at the store, you get about 50 count mealworms for $6, and you can get like a 500 count on here for like $9. So yeah, that's a pretty good deal. So I think we're gonna go with that. So that's what I've been trying to do, since I do have to do my shopping tomorrow, so I'm probably gonna order them tomorrow. But yeah, still waiting on my mom's package. It's not here yet. Hopefully it'll be here soon, so I'm excited to open it. But yeah, I just wanted to hop on and say I'm looking at mealworms and superworms because we do have our crested gecko, bearded dragon, and our leopard gecko that like to eat those. So we kind of have to have those. But I'm gonna wait for my mom's package. I'm gonna wait for my mom's package to get here, and then once the package gets here, I'll get on again. So see you guys then. All right, you guys, my mom's package finally arrived. So now I can open it and see what it is. Well, I've been needing coffee and I didn't want to buy any at Walmart because I know how pricey it is there. So I wanted to wait to go to Sam's Club when my mom was down because it's a lot cheaper getting it bulk there than at Walmart. It's like $10 cheaper. My mom got me coffee. But that's good though because I go through coffee like crazy. Now I can have another cup of coffee because I'm down to my last little K-cups. So thank you, Mom. It's honestly the little things because it's actually made me really happy. Now I don't have to buy any, besides when I go to Sam's Club. But I think I'm going to go ahead and end the video right here. That's pretty much what I was waiting on to finish off the video. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give the video a like, subscribe, and comment down below. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys!